Hi, my name is Ashley and welcome to my Halong Bay cruise experience. I traveled from Hanoi with my sister to take a 2-day, 1-night cruise with kayaking, hiking, a cave tour, and some other activities included. Hope you enjoy! Okay, it's 8 a.m. We're on our bus transfer. Look at our party bus. It's kind of fun in here. The bus ride from Hanoi to Halong Bay is around 2.5 hours. We had a rest stop halfway through at a pearl farm on the way there, and it was actually really interesting to learn about the pearl harvesting process and actually watch it in action. We have a showroom here where you can look at the pearls and I guess buy them too. I'm so hungry because we didn't really eat dinner last night. This thing is so good. Okay, we didn't eat enough dinner.
We should have bought more snacks.
We got some coffee with condensed milk from the rest stop. Yeah, let's go take a bit closer look. Our boat looks real small, not gonna lie. But maybe it's just a more intimate experience. And apparently we can take bottled water on. We just can't take it off the boat onto any of the islands because they're scared of pollution, which makes sense.
Oh, people brought ramen.
Oh, that would have been so smart. We messed up. Okay, we're boarding our cruise. Hope we get a good room and toilet, bathroom situation, and a balcony, private balcony. Look how cute they are. Yes. Do you think we'll have hot men on our boat? We got a welcome drink. Okay, welcome to our room. Give a little room tour. So we have, is this a king? Looks pretty big. Large bed, have a little balcony out here. We're on the first floor. Bathroom looks pretty nice. Oh, we have a bathtub. Oh, wow, we can bathe with a view. And then we haven't left yet, but I'm assuming the view will get nicer than this. Oh, we have a mini fridge? Yeah. Okay, yeah, pretty nice place. And we have a couple minutes to put our stuff away before we go to eat lunch. We're moving, we're moving.
You know why I wanted to get ramen?
Why?
I read on the reviews that other boats ran out of food.
What? It's only 2 days, how can they run out? This is the lunch. I had to put everything on the same plate because it's a free-for-all out there. My thoughts on the food, it wasn't terrible, but most of it was pretty bland. There's maybe 2 or 3 good dishes out of 10 total, but my sister was right, they did run out of food. As they bring out the dishes, everyone kind of rushes to grab the good stuff and hoards it on their plate, so you kind of have to be competitive, otherwise you're gonna be hungry. Got some fruit. The water is so blue. Oh my god, it's so pretty outside. It's literally beautiful. Actually, maybe the first floor is better. What do you think? You get to be up close and personal to this. Yeah. That to be one of the
kết quả cuối cùng sẽ chấp quý khách muốn tham quan hang lượn.
It is time to kayak. I really hope it's a 2-person kayak. I'm really scared of tipping. And I don't trust myself. And I'm really weak, so I definitely can't do it alone. Okay, let's go. Can you please be in my kayak? Please, please, please. Oh, wow, it's like the floating market. These are all the other cruises doing the same exact itinerary as us. They use Tinder here, they use Tinder here. I'm gonna be going in there. Wow.
Roaming around tonight, you by my side. Nothing compares to this.
Angela's so good at rowing, I don't even have to do anything. No, not funny. Also, I thought this would be like a kayak tour, but I think they just like let you loose and tell you to go back to the dock at a certain time. But that's fine with me. I have my expert rower here. She's so good at her job. Look at her. Okay. I'm the captain! I'm not even doing anything.
Captain doesn't do anything.
Oh, okay. I was the captain.
This is all a dream. Who knows? We'll see. If we're gonna do this right, then I need to.
Okay, we're on Titop Island. It's really cute. They have like a little cafe. Super touristy. I think this island is purely tourism. And they gave us 2 choices. We can either go swimming or hiking. And I don't think either of us are interested in swimming, so we're gonna do the hike. And cold. Yeah, and it'll be a nice view, right? It's really scary if you look down. Yeah. No looking down. That's the first rule.
If I ask you something, do you blush as much as I do with you?
Not that bad.
I will let her see you, baby.
Going down. This might be more difficult than going up. Definitely scarier. We made it!
Yay!
Not that bad.
The sunset party is after sunset.
I'm so hungry.
Do you want me to go buy some ramen?
No. Fine, let's go see how much it is. Ooh, it's golden hour. It's the World Cup. Oh, yay! So excited. Ooh. Ooh, it smells so good. This is what it looks like. They're so good.
Do you do sock or sock shoe? Sock
I do sock shoe.
Okay.
What do you do?
I usually do sock shoe unless I don't want to touch the ground.
I might need to bring some back. Good thing they don't have these in America. I should bring a bunch back and then do like a blind taste test where everyone guesses the flavors. Yeah? Okay. Snack segment over. It's snack time. Even though I already had my pre-snack snack. But more snack is good too. And then we have spring roll making, and then we have dinner. Snack all day. They're really like EDM here.
There are no words.
Lunar New Year, and the Lunar New Year happened in January to February, so that's why we call spring roll. All right. Do you know? Okay, this is a glass noodle. Glass noodle. We cut it into pieces like this. This is the perfect roll from the chef. Perfect amount, perfect shape.
We got our spring rolls. I hope they gave us the meat one. What do you think? I feel like I'm living in White Lotus. Angela doesn't get it because she didn't watch it, even though I told her to. That get it, we'll get it. If you get it, you get it. First course is pumpkin soup, and a girl loves pumpkin. Stay vigilant, especially on the boat. It's really good. Could use a little bit of salt or whatever. I feel like your spoon is bigger than mine. Okay, second course. Something with oyster and a little slaw with the shrimp. Really? Well, it better be. We're at sea. This is way better than lunch. Not too sure, but I mean, I'll take it. Kind of a strange departure from oysters. Kind of feels like they're putting all the foreigners on a diet. You know you're hungry when you eat the carrot. Obviously, it depends on which cruise you choose, but the food was pretty underwhelming. It kind of felt like I was eating at a college dining hall again, but worse. Also, I don't know what was up, but I was really hungry all day and definitely didn't end this meal feeling satisfied. And I know for sure I wasn't the only one on the boat who felt that way, so I would bring your own snacks or ramen for backup. And now we have dessert. Looks like yogurt with fruit.
Yeah, I think so.
It's the night of the World Cup final, which is kind of crazy because we happen to be on this boat with a lot of French passengers. The staff is all Vietnamese, so obviously the staff is like a little anti-French. So they're voting for the Argentinians. The French people are obviously voting for Team France. So it's just kind of crazy up there. It's halftime right now, and it's 2-0 Argentina. So let's see how this goes. But yes, it's really I don't know. I feel like the tensions are real high. On the itinerary, we were actually supposed to do karaoke, but this is way better than karaoke. Okay, it's finally the end of the day. I personally have been up since 7:20, 7:30. Both of us. And it's now 1 a.m. and we have to be up for 6 a.m. Tai Chi. No, we don't.
Either the sunrise doesn't look that nice or I'm on the wrong side.
Cảm ơn quý khách vì đã lắng nghe.
stuff is pretty good. We got this at Circle K. It's Vietnamese black coffee. But the coffee in Vietnam is crazy. Angela says better than Italy.
What? You agreed.
I did agree.
Italians hate me.
Okay, well, I just don't like how coffee in Italy is all hot. When you ask for iced coffee, they look at you like you're crazy. We're doing a brunch buffet, and if it was anything like the buffet yesterday, I'm glad I ate a kind bar. No, brunch buffet.
It's in French. It's like yum.
It's not gonna be yum, I can tell you right now.
Baguette.
This is what we're trying today. Some sort of beef curry with noodles. And more noodles with some cabbage and fried rice. Goodbye, boat. Goodbye, harbor. Angela said good riddance. That wasn't me.
This is a very stressful boat trip.
We're ready to go back to Taiwan. I need a vacation from my vacation.
Like all young girls in Vietnam.
Okay. There's been a lot of harassment on this boat. I don't know. A lot has happened in the past 24 hours. I'm still processing. Also, they don't believe that we're from America.
They're like, you're not American.
They're like, but your face.
They're like, but you're Asian. They said that.
They did say like, bye-bye. One step closer to being back in Hanoi. Very good. We're at our rest stop and we're gonna try this sticky rice with yogurt.
It tastes like what you would think it tastes like, which is good. Ashley loves things like this.